The award in category 1D, Award for Excellence in Pure Play Digital Online Companies in the small, below 500 crore category goes to ODeX India Solutions Pvt Limited for their product, ODeX Online Platform Trade Facilitator Portal. May I request Mr. Binay Toppil, Director, Mr. Swapnil Chavan, AVP, Business Development and Sales, and Mr. Rohit McCurtis, AVP, Marketing and Communications, to come onto the dais to accept the award.
It's a device lifecycle management product.
A loud applause, ladies and gentlemen.
It's a B2B digital platform for digital data exchange and payment facilitation for global ocean shipping trade by connecting various stakeholders, shipping lines, exporters, importers, freight forward, customs brokers. Which one? Okay. There you go.